Hi, I'm Jose Ferreira from Joker Customs, situated in Lambton, Germiston. We specialize in, obviously, Rockford Fosgate sound systems. We do rims, tires, suspensions, ultimate performance software, air filters, basically anything to do with a car. Golf carts, boats, cars, anything with a battery, we'll build it. This is a Nissan Skyline 1995 GTR R33. The car was sent to us by a customer friend of mine, Ultimate Performance. We've done work for them previously. They sent us this as a challenge. We had an initial whole idea what to build, but then they threw a spanner in the works, telling us they wanted water meth and nitrous fitted in the boot. Together with the whole install, they wanted something to look classy, but still be able to help the car actually work. So myself and my fabricator, we sat together, Sofiso, and we actually designed the build. So the customer wanted a high-end sound system, hence going the Rockford, and from that we delivered. Look, the client wanted something loud, must look good, and we inspired, everything had to be symmetrical, as the client wanted, everything had to fit flush, and that's what we did. We built everything flush to the customer specifications, fitting everything, making everything work, like the water meth, the nitrous, the two woofers. He also wanted a very loud car. Bass in a sedan, it's a bit of a challenge, but we managed to get it. And we've done a set of Rockford Prime splits, 6 inches in the front. We've gone a set of Rockford Prime coaxials in the rear for the fill. And then running that, we're using the R400 4D, and then obviously Rockford wiring kit, 4 gauge right through the car with RCAs to everything, distribution blocks. To run the 2 P110s, we've used the R501 mono block, and all Rockford cabling done as Rockford would want it. My favorite part of this thing would be the build and the actual performance of the car, as well as the look, the uniqueness. It's not every day you do a Skyline GTR. Client response, when we initially dropped off the car for him, he was very happy. He didn't expect what we've built, and he wanted lighting, which we provided for. Nitrous kit obviously on show, water meth, everything is working for him. Everything is easy to get to, everything looks symmetrical, and the build came out very well. He didn't expect what we delivered, but we actually delivered beyond what he expected. My way forward would be to be in the top 10 dealers, to build big cars, to actually be known as a very good fitment center, and with clients that we've dealt before, they see that our work is pretty exceptional. We've tried and we have conquered. If you're looking to get hold of Joker Customs, you can find us on Facebook and on Instagram, Joker Custom Automotive. Contact numbers all there, address is there, we're all there.